Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the Spotify app language on your smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. Then you want to select the apps tile and then select where it says see all apps. Scroll down and locate Spotify from the list and select it. And then scroll down again and select where it says language. At this point, you can go ahead and select a different language from the list and make your selection, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.